Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about one of the most hyped meme coins in the market right now, Pepe Coin. There's a lot of buzz around Pepe and for good reason. Right now it's one of the top meme coins after Dogecoin. It's currently ranked number 27 overall in the crypto market. As of today, Pepe Coin is trading at around $0.000011124 and the market cap is sitting at about $4.85 billion. That's a solid position and we're seeing whales buying in, which is a strong sign. In the last couple of weeks, trillions of Pepe tokens have been bought. Both retail investors and large holders are showing serious interest. That kind of volume usually means something big is coming. The number of holders is also growing fast. Just a few days ago, Pepe had around 440,000 holders. Now it's over 447,000 and soon it could hit 500,000 or even 1 million. That's huge. The bigger the community, the more demand, and more demand usually means price jumps. Pepe Coin is available on almost every major exchange: Binance, Uniswap, Bybit, Coinbase, OKX, Bitget, you name it, it's there, so it's easy to get in. Let me put this into perspective. Even if you invest $100 to $150, Pepe could easily kill 1 or 2 zeros during the next bull run, turning that small investment into thousands. A few days ago, Elon Musk even posted a meme that seemed to support Pepe Coin and the price immediately jumped. So if we keep seeing support like that, whether it's from Elon or even someone like Trump, this coin could explode. So don't ignore Pepe. Even a small investment like $25 or $50 could turn into serious gains by 2025 if momentum continues. And as always, this is crypto, high risk, high reward, so do your own research before investing. If there are any urgent updates, price movements, or entry signals, I'll bring them to you right here on this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more real-time updates on crypto. See you in the next one.